Hi, my name is Antonia Johnson, and I currently am working at it's a therapeutic foster home agency, and it's also a residential group home for female adolescents. I'm currently actually placed at the campus where the female adolescents live in the residential treatment program. One of the things that I want to get out of this course is I want to become comfortable with discussing loss and grief with families and individuals. Um, a lot of people that I may come in contact with in my future career will have gone through some kind of loss or are actually going through grief. And I thought that this class would be important because it would allow me to become comfortable with grief and with loss and understanding the process of it so that I can better support and better help my clients. So that I would say is actually a main reason because I'm not fully comfortable talking about grief and loss. And when clients discuss things such as death, it can become very difficult for me because I'm not fully comfortable with it because I'm not fully educated on it. So, just from my readings from this week, has been very helpful as far as just understanding that there are different kind of losses, and especially with the youth that I'm working with currently right now, they all have some kind of loss, and the fact that they're actually in a residential treatment program and they are separated from their parent, they actually have a loss. Some of them have never even met their family or a parent, and they don't have any connections to any caregiver. So this is an ongoing loss that they're actually going through. So they're actually going through that grievance cycle on a regular basis. So this will be able to help me to better assist them and better be able to actually identify some of the problems and the situations that they're actually going through and just know that it's like a normal process for them. Thank you, and I look forward to being in class with all of you guys and learning a lot from you all's experience. Thanks.